There's a new German-themed restaurant in West Hartford called Wurst Haus.
We're sorry, Zachary Shuman. We're laughing because the intro to your package wasn't great, so we apologize. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. All right, so you're the worst, but you're the best.
The worst but best, absolutely.
Tell us. I love German food. It's like one of my favorite things to eat. What do you got going on?
So we're going to make some Jaeger Schnitzel today.
Awesome.
We have a little bit of our bratwurst and Pretzel on background as well. But we're just a little modern German beer hall. We're going to knock off our Stephen Prince in Springfield, Mass.
Yeah,
it's been around for 87 years.
Okay, so it's new to West Hartford. We can go there, and it's called Jaeger Schnitzel. So I hear it has red wine, mushrooms, cabbage.
Right. So we just make a beef emmy, basically, and we cook it all down with red wine and mushrooms overnight. And then the next day we'll add chicken, veal, or pork, depending on what the guests choose. It's traditionally served with our braised red cabbage and buttered noodles.
Zach, we give you a lot of credit for opening a new restaurant during the pandemic. How's everything been going?
There's been some challenges, but it's been going good so far. Can't complain.
Oh
my gosh, we're looking at a giant pretzel. That looks like a meal in itself. Are those Brussels sprouts served with it?
The giant pretzel has our beer cheese and Eagle House for mustard.
What is beer cheese? Can you explain that to me?
Yeah, so for beer cheese, we take our Spaten beer and we cook it down with jalapenos and a little bit of roasted garlic. And then at the end, we glaze the pan with some milk and heavy cream. At the very end of it, we hit it with sharp cheddar and make the sauce out of it.
Oh, that looks absolutely beautiful. That's like a whole meal.
I know, look at that. And then, okay, I'm not sure. We're seeing something else, right? Fried cheese. Oh, this is fried cheese. That's delicious looking.
Yeah, that really is.
Our fried Canberra cheese is popular. And then we have the boots of beer as well. And then the smaller boot with the lanyard around it. It's a boot that you can buy at the restaurant and fill it up and you take it home with you.
It's a boot of beer. Okay.
Boot of beer.
This looks like potato pancakes. Zach, you make potato pancakes? Oh. They look delicious with the sour cream.
I love that. Yeah. There's another hanging pretzel.
This is the hanging pretzels, one of my all-time
this is
favorites.
great because it's a great way to introduce, your kids, all kids love pretzels. So you could take them, introduce them to a little bit of German food, and they know that they're going to have something that they love. And now we're back at you in the kitchen. So how's the Jaeger Schnitzel going?
Don't work. So right now I'm searing the veal. Then we're just going to, after the veal is seared, we're just going to hit it with that mushroom gravy I was talking about and let it all braise together.
And does Jaeger have to be veal, or can it be chicken, or can you substitute something, Zach?
At the restaurant, we give you options of chicken, veal, or pork.
Oh, terrific.
Okay. Good. So, look at that. Yummy. Okay. So how is it right now? Do we need to make a reservation? Can we just show up? Do you welcome the high chair crowd?
So we definitely welcome the high chair crowd. We do not take reservations. We do an app called Waitlist Me. So you can call ahead to get on the wait list. And you can actually see on the app how people are ahead of you and how long the wait is. You can see a party of 2 or 45 minutes. It will tell you to put your name on now, and you have 45 minutes to get there.
Okay. So that's great. I've been seeing the restaurants are hopping, especially in West Hartford Center. So it's great. You having a lot of people come on out, huh?
Absolutely, yeah. The opening's been great so far. Definitely German beer's taken off very well as we expected.
And Zach, were you formally trained in German cooking or just in cooking in general and you went German?
Just cooking in general. Before when I originally came to the restaurant group, I started at Student Prince for about 4.5 years.
Oh, wow.
So I had a little bit of Student Prince in my blood.
That's awesome.
Looks like that's almost done. Now, with this Jaeger Schnitzel, is this one of the most popular dishes that people order?
This is one of our most popular schnitzels here, yeah. Super comforting, it's light. It's, no breading on it.
It looks. I wish we had smell-o-vision, but we don't. Unfortunately, we don't.
Oh, it's right now. You guys are right on LaSalle Road in West Hartford Center. You're open 7 days a week.
And
you can get your schnitzel fix anytime you want.
Is there any outdoor dining, Zach?
Right now we have 9 seats. until they open the extended patio.
Okay. Look at that. How absolutely beautiful is that?
That's a nice, healthy portion. You're going to eat well.
You can eat well at Wurst House, yes.
I think it's still
We want you to
coming.
leave full.
And so
Full
you
and
can,
happy.
we're hearing you can go there and listen to some German bands, German music.
Right now we are in the talks of getting German bands in there. We did have one on our opening day. In the future, we do plan on doing live bands, but the music coming through is trying to keep it best as much as possible.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Zach, so much for your time. We so appreciate it, and we wish you good luck.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you. Looks delicious. That's a big portion. We
That
could
is
maybe share it.
Yeah,
You with me, maybe
you,
not
me,
let me.
and Dennis.
Okay. For more, he doesn't like to share. For more information, you can see the menu and visit Wurst-Haus, which is HAUS.com. And we'll also have a link on betterct.com as well.